Welcome to the full T05 video series. Now first of all, you need to measure the distances between the holes. The distance between the downspout center of the toilet and the wall should be at least 300 millimeters. Now second of all, you have to install the ceramic. Later, you have to check whether that sewage outlet is quite uneven with the ground. Now if it's uneven, you can try using some drying machine to level your sewage pipe with the ground, or if it's excess, you can try to cut it with an appropriate machine. Install and fix the flange. Mark the holes with a marker. Make ceramic really close to the edge of the flange. Then use a ruler to ensure that the center of the ceramic block and the center of the flange stay in line. Mark the points which are ready to be perforated on the ceramic block with a marker, and then remove the flange and set aside the ceramic block. Now then drill into the part marked on the ground. After drilling, plug the expansion bolts into the hole. If it doesn't work, you can hammer it into a hole slowly. Then later, put glass adhesive along the sewer pipe with the glue gun. Then the flange is aligned with the hole and fixed. Remove expansion screws and washers. Combine the expansion screw with the washers and put them into the holes of the flange, and then fasten the screws with a screwdriver. Now after that, you have to remove the ceramic blocks and the screws. Place your screws and ceramic fixing block in combination, both them together, to fix the ceramic fixing block and fasten the screws with a screwdriver. Now take out the flange and put glass adhesive on the front and back of it, aligning it with the bottom water outlet of the ceramic, and fix it. And then later you can connect the base underneath the toilet to the flange slowly. Now the third thing is to install T's and corrugated pipes. Connect the toilet bellows to the T and tighten the bellows. Connect T to the angle valve and then tighten it. Open angle valve switch to check whether the connections are leaking. Now the fourth and the last thing you need to do is to check the power function. After connected to the power supplies, press that flash button to check whether the toilet is leaking or not. After that, tighten screws on the ceramic on the both sides and cover the decorative nuts on them. Finally, put glass cement along the junctions, pottery and porcelain and ground connection. Our smart toilet is really easy to use in life and becomes convenient in your daily lives. So it has many functions, like for example, like sensing when you're gonna go to the toilet for yourself, or maybe when you want to flush, whether you're a man or a woman, there's a function for both of you. Now the fun part is that you can actually use this remote to control all the functions on your toilet. Let's say if you want a light, if you want a worm set, or maybe if you even want to flush your toilet after using it. How cool is that? Our smart toilet, super good and easy to use.